Grabovoi, concentration exercises, the 6th day of the month. Exercise 1. On this day, your concentration exercise should focus on changing the structure of your consciousness and the intensity of your concentration through the perception of distant objects. This concentration technique is particularly useful when you would like the desired event to occur at a particular location. If that is the case, you need to concentrate the work of your consciousness precisely in these surroundings. You can apply this technique just as successfully to accomplish the reverse, i.e., when you do not wish a particular event or situation to occur in a certain place, because it seems to you to be unfavorable. In this case, you must disembody the negative information. Disembody means, in this context, to unfocus and suppress your consciousness in this location. The rarefaction that occurs as the result cancels out the unfavorable event or situation. The realization of a desired event at a chosen location can be accomplished by concentrating upon distant elements within one's consciousness. We have already discussed this control technique before. In practicing it, you should use elements from your consciousness that are responsible for the perception of distant objects. In doing this, you can either look at actual physical objects, perceiving them with your normal eyesight, or you can visualize distant objects with your mind's eye. In both instances, you use distant elements within your consciousness. And when you simultaneously focus your consciousness on the event that you would like to see happening in a particular location, then it will occur in exactly that location. The essential point in this technique is as follows. The more distant the areas of your consciousness where you deposit the information about your goal, the better it will be processed, and the more complete the implementation of the event will be. And the event will occur at the chosen location. When dealing with destructive forces, you can use the unfocusing technique. When you unfocus your consciousness, you can make the negative information rarefied to such an extent that it will no longer be perceived, as if it were not there in the first place. Exercise 2, the 6th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 9, 5, 4, 8, 3, 7. 9-digit sequence. 1, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 9. Exercise 3 for the 6th day of the month. When you see the world as if it were somehow turned upside down, you must always remember that any upturned, disunited, or compressed world is still the world of unity, harmony, and grace. You must understand that God's blessing is inherent in all of the upturned, ambiguous, or uncharacteristic conditions of the world. You can have access to this harmony, knowing that you have always been eternal, are eternal, and always will be eternal. No mishap in structure or false information can change the will of God.